Hi fam, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Let's just start with saying that it is the gloomiest, rainiest, like kind of cold day today. It's Tuesday right now. I'm going to be vlogging a little week for everyone. I'm a huge fan of like romanticize your own life, like a huge fan. So I wanted to give it a shot and try it out this week and see what I can try to glamorize and romanticize. Because the everyday is the magic of life. There's moments and then there's the everyday. You know what I mean? And so that's just how I'm kind of feeling right now with this vlog. Yesterday I didn't really record a lot, but I did a few things. I should probably just like insert them now. But I am at Starbucks because I was like, I need a little something to start the day. And by start the day, I mean, it's 11:52. But like, oh, do you like also? It's like cold. Okay, let me finish. I need a little Starbucks to just like, get ready, get going, get to it. I've got a good day. It's Tuesday, like I said, and I have just like a full day of work, ahead of me. And so I just want to go for it. Also, yeah, I had to do a few errands, and it's like, feels good to get, can you like take me seriously with that when I'm like this? It feels good to just like get out of the house, like first thing. I think about the trajectory, how it was for a lot of people. It was like, leave the house every single day to go to work, like Monday through Friday. Stay at home and work. Stay at home and don't work because you don't have a job anymore. Stay at home and work from home now. I'm not in the habit of leaving to go to work, and I like it because I have more time and energy, and like it's more comfortable, and I'm going to have an office eventually. I'm right now in a sad literal 2 foot by 2 foot little square in my room, but I still have that. So it's just like, I need to remind myself that I should leave the house to go get Starbucks and do stuff. Like, we're getting back to things. So I needed to get gas because I drive a lot for coaching, and I was like getting really low. And also, if you haven't watched last week's video, I have to make a return because I bought a bunch of stuff and I had the full intention of, and it all just looked so bad on me that I have to return it all. So gonna go drop that off and I'll be right back. I need to get my coffee. And we're back with coffee. I just got a venti cold brew because I'm gonna add my own oat milk creamer at home that's really good, and I'll show you. Remember when I was mentioning my office? Here is said office. Yeah, I need an upgrade soon. I'm actually really sad because I wanted to vlog a little of my own lacrosse game, but I was running late and I forgot. So what you get to see is out, burn your fears away, baby. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I am editing a video for today that's already out now. Right now in the morning before I get my day started. My bed is not made. As you can tell, my voice is all scratchy, but I've got to get this video out. So I was too tired last night. So last night I was like, oh, I'm sad because I forgot to bring you to lacrosse. And then I was up until 1 a.m. because I was so energized from running around at 9. So I'm a little sleepy this morning. Nothing that a little coffee can't help. We just worked out, and I think I forgot to show you that creamer from yesterday that I added to my coffee. But it's this. Not me with my leftover cold brew, but this is it. It's oat milk, creamer, oatmeal cookie, and it's so good. And this thing is huge, so this lasts me forever. 10 out of 10 recommend. Good morning. I was having a day yesterday, bad day. Didn't really do anything. I think I showed me writing in my journal. I don't even remember. Oh, I showed the ice cream truck, the highlight of my day. But I'm making coffee right now because me and my roommate didn't go this morning because she couldn't go. So I'm just making a little homemade brown sugar shaken espresso, and I have my workout outside set up for 9:30, even though it's a little bit past. I'm breaking out. Don't look at me. There's a street sweeper. But yeah, I'm gonna work out, and it's a sunny and warm day. I think I was annoyed because it was so cold and rainy all week, and I just could only take it for 2 days, and then it just really, I don't know. I really don't know what's wrong with me, but that's okay. If I don't see you for the rest of the day, thank you so much for watching the vlog this week. A little romance, a little just chill, just a chill time. And oh, my coffee's boiling. I'll see you next time. Bye.